A few months ago, there was a 21-year-old guy named Daniel sitting in his car outside a grocery store in California. He had just finished a long shift earning $14 an hour, and before driving home, he checked his bank account, $128.43. That was everything he had. Rent, gas, food. It wasn't enough. He wasn't lazy. He wasn't stupid. He just didn't have any valuable skills that the internet kept talking about. Every time he searched how to make money online, he felt more confused. Coding, dropshipping, stock trading, freelancing, it all sounded like something he needed months or years to learn. But that night, sitting in silence, he made a simple decision. He said, "I'm not going to wait until I feel ready. I'm going to start with what I have, even if I have no skills." That decision didn't make him rich overnight, but within 60 days, Daniel made his first $1,370 online. And the craziest part, he still didn't have any real skills. What he had was a system. Now I want you to listen to my voice carefully. Ignore what is going on the screen. Pay full attention only to my voice seriously. Right now in 2026, the biggest lie people believe is that you need to become skilled before you start making money. That used to be true. It's not anymore. The internet has changed. Tools have changed. Opportunities have changed. Today, money flows to people who understand attention, distribution, and simple execution. Skills help you grow faster, but they are no longer required to begin. This is the biggest advantage beginners have right now, and most people don't even realize it. They spend months preparing, learning, watching tutorials, while other people with zero experience are already making their first $500, $1,000, even $3,000 online. So let's break this down in a real, practical way. If you have no skills, no experience, and maybe not even confidence, how do you actually start making money online? Not theory, not motivation, real systems. The first system is something I call leverage through existing content. Every single day, millions of hours of content are uploaded: online podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, educational content. But here's the problem. Most of that content is long, and people today have short attention spans. They don't want to watch a 60-minute video. They want a 30-second insight. This creates an opportunity. You don't need to create new ideas. You just need to extract valuable moments from existing content and repurpose them into short-form videos. This is one of the easiest ways to enter the online money world. You take a long video, find a powerful or interesting part, trim it into a short clip, add captions using simple tools, and post it. That's it. You don't need editing skills because tools can automate most of it. You don't need creativity because the content already exists. Your job is to recognize what grabs attention, and once you start posting consistently, something interesting happens. Views start coming in. At first, it might be small: 200 views, 500 views, maybe 1,000 views. But then one video hits 10,000 views, then 50,000, then maybe even 100,000. And when you have attention, you have leverage. You can monetize that attention through affiliate links, digital products, or even by offering services to small businesses. Even a small page can generate $300 to $1,000 per month if used correctly. That's how beginners are quietly entering the game. The second system is digital product distribution. Notice I didn't say creation. Creation requires effort, time, and sometimes skill. Distribution does not. There are already thousands of digital products available: guides, templates, mini courses that you can legally promote and earn money from. Your role is simple. You connect the product with the right audience. For example, people are constantly searching for ways to save money, make money, improve their life, or learn something new. If you consistently post content around these topics, you can introduce a product as a solution. Let's say you promote a $20 digital product. If you sell just 5 per day, that's $100 daily. That's $3,000 per month. And this is not unrealistic. This is happening every day, not because people are experts, but because they are consistent. Daniel actually used this method in his first month. He didn't create anything. He found a simple product, started posting short videos around money tips, and added the product link. His first sale was $19. It didn't change his life financially, but it changed his belief system. It made him realize this is real. From there, he kept going. The third system is AI-assisted service selling. This is where the internet becomes almost unfair for beginners. In the past, if you wanted to offer services like writing, design, or marketing, you needed years of practice. Today, AI tools can do most of the heavy lifting. You just need to guide the process. For example, you can offer blog writing services. A client pays you $100 for an article. You use AI to generate a draft, spend 10 to 15 minutes editing it, and deliver it. The client is happy because they got the result. You're happy because you earn money without needing deep expertise. The same applies to social media captions, product descriptions, resumes, and even basic graphic design. If you complete just one $100 task per day, that's $3,000 per month. 2 tasks per day, that's $6,000. And you didn't start with skills. You started with tools and action. Another powerful model is Service Arbitrage. This is where you act as the middle person. Instead of doing the work, you connect clients with people who can do it. Let's say someone needs a logo. You charge them $150. Then, you find a freelancer who can do it for $50. You keep the $100 difference. You didn't design anything. You just managed the process. This works because most clients don't want to spend time searching and managing freelancers. They want simplicity. They want someone to handle everything. That's where you come in. And this model can scale quickly. If you close 10 clients in a month, that's $1,000 profit. If you scale to 30 clients, that's $3,000 or more. Now here's something important that most people ignore. None of these systems require skills, but they do require consistency. This is where most people fail. They try something for a few days, don't see results, and quit. That's not how this works. The internet rewards persistence, not perfection. Daniel didn't see results in his first week, or even his second. For the first 12 days, nothing happened. No views, no sales, no progress. Most people would quit at that point, but he didn't. He kept posting. On day 15, one of his videos got 8,000 views. That video made him his first $23. It wasn't a lot of money, but it proves something important: it works. From that moment, everything changed. He stopped doubting and started focusing. He posted more consistently. He improved his hooks. He paid attention to what worked. And within the next 30 days, he crossed $1,000. This brings us to the most important part of this entire video. Your goal is not to make $10,000 right away. Your goal is to make your first $100 online. Because that first $100 is proof. It changes how you think. It removes doubt. It gives you confidence. Once you believe it's possible, you start acting differently. Most people are stuck because they are waiting to feel ready. They are waiting to learn enough. They are waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is, clarity comes from action, not thinking. You don't figure everything out before you start. You figure things out because you started. In 2026, the opportunity is massive, but attention is limited. This means the people who take action quickly and consistently have an unfair advantage. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the most talented. You just need to show up every day and execute simple systems. If you're watching this right now, you are not late. You are early compared to most people who are still stuck overthinking. The only question is whether you will take action or continue watching from the sidelines. Because 30 days from now, your life can look very different. You can either still be searching for ways to make money, or you can be someone who actually made it. And it all starts with one decision. Start without skills. Start without confidence. Start without perfection. Just start. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed and depend on your effort, consistency, and execution. This is not financial advice, and you should do your own research before starting any online income method.